where am I at here? Again, I'm at the Lucky Strike Golden Gem Mine here in Marion, North Carolina, and we're at the 4th of July Festival, which later on we're going to have some barbecue, I think chicken and some pork, and big dinner up at the clubhouse, and we'll have fireworks. So when it gets dark, I think they're going to do a little golf cart parade that goes around. But with me, there was one group that was here that we didn't get to do back with the Gold Festival, and that's Matt's Munchies. And they have, first of all, they got watermelon icy, good on a hot day. And they have this scrumptious, check that out, funnel cake. Ooh, yeah. So, yeah, I actually, they were on the channel last year for the 4th of July with us when I had their fried Oreos. So now I'm gonna have the funnel cake. So yeah, let's try this out. See what we got. Check that out. Nice, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. That's a good funnel cake. No. That is a great funnel cake. We're going to try some of this watermelon. I've already been. Love the watermelons. Once again, we're here at the Lucky Strike Golden Gem Mine, Marion, North Carolina, 4th of July Festival. So yeah, happy 4th of July. Love, appreciate chickers. Remember, give a man a motorcycle. No, give a man a fish. He'll eat for a day. Give a man a motorcycle. He'll eat fish 200 miles away. Come on now. Come on now.